Hey there, foodies! Today, we're whipping up a simple, mouth-watering dish, cheesy pasta. Let's get cooking with these pantry staples: pasta, butter, salt, cheese, garlic, milk, black pepper, and parsley. Let's begin by bringing salted water to a boil and adding your pasta. Once it's cooked al dente, drain it and return to the pan on low heat. Next up, melt butter in a separate skillet with garlic on low heat for around 2 minutes. Now for the cheese. Add Parmesan or any other cheese you love and let it melt with the butter. Season with salt and pepper. Then comes the milk. About half a cup should be perfect. Time to mix in your cheesy goodness with the pasta. And voila! Your cheesy pasta is ready to enjoy. Thanks for joining me on this culinary adventure. If you loved this recipe, hit that thumbs up and remember to follow and subscribe for more yummy recipes. Happy cooking!